components involved in this activity are breadboard, Arduino, 100 ohm resistor, potentiometer, and LED. So I will show you how to make a LED sequencer using an Arduino. First is the breadboard. Then the Arduino, rotate it to the right. That's it. Then potentiometer, place it in the breadboard. Then the LED, so I changed the color into green, but I like yellow. Okay, then copy paste at least 12 LEDs. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next is the resistor, which has 100 ohms. So place it in the positive sign of the LED. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then the resistor connects to the pin of the Arduino. Next is the negative sign of the LED connected to the negative sign of the breadboard, which is the ground. So we must connect the negative signs of the LED in the ground. Okay, that's it. Next is the first pin of the potentiometer are connected to the positive sign of the breadboard, which is the source. Then the second pin is connected to the pin of Arduino, and the third pin are connected to the LEDs. So the pin of the Arduino are connected also in the source of the breadboard, and also the pin of the Arduino are connected also in the ground of the breadboard. So I changed the color. test. So after connecting all the components needed in this activity, so let's proceed to the coding. So N LED 1 equals 2, then semicolon. Then copy paste at least 12 end leads. Okay, that's it. Then edit LED 2, LED 3, LED 4, LED 5, LED 6, LED 7, LED 8, LED 9, LED 10, LED 11, LED 12. Okay, then LED 2 equals 3, LED 3 equals 4, LED 4 equals 5, LED 5 equals 6, LED 6 equals 7, LED 7 equals 8, LED 8 equals 9, LED 10 equals 11, LED 11 equals LED 12, LED 12 equals 13. Okay. Then end put 10 equals A0 semicolon, then end value, end delay the period equal, then end value, then pin code LED 1 code and output, then copy paste at least 12. So LED 4, LED 8, LED 10, LED 11, LED 12. Then pin mode, put 10, comma, input, and close parenthesis. Delay period, then write LED 1, copy paste, so copy paste 8 as less 12. And then edit LED 2, LED 2, LED 2, LED 3, digital write LED 4, digital write LED 4, digital write LED 5, digital write LED 5, Digital's right LED 6, in the digital right LED 7, LED 8, and LED 9. Then LED 10, LED 11, LED 12. So let the extra. Delay period equals 0 semicolon. So this is the output of the LED sequencer using Arduino. As you can see, the first LED light up, then after 1000 milliseconds, the LED 2 will follow until the LED 12.